Are you getting the "sorry, could you say that again" error when trying to use Siri on your iPhone? This issue can be caused by connection problems, Siri settings, or even microphone glitches. But don't worry, this guide will walk you through troubleshooting steps to fix the error and get Siri responding properly. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Open a browser and go to fast.com to test your internet speed. If your connection is slow, enable airplane mode. Wait a few seconds, then disable it. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to find a more stable connection. Once your connection improves, try using Siri again. Solution 2. Clean your microphone. Check your iPhone's microphone for dust or blockages. Use a soft cloth or compressed air to clean it gently. Test the microphone by making a call or recording a voice memo. Solution 3. Re-enable Hey Siri. Open Settings, tap Siri, tap Talk to Siri. Turn off Talk to Siri if it's turned on. Wait a moment, then turn it back on. Follow the prompt to retrain Siri to recognize your voice. By following these steps, Siri should stop giving you the "sorry, could you say that again" error. If the video did the trick for you, then smash that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.